I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting evidence. Pick 6 to 8 accomplishments with numbers, like revenue or time saved, and choose one target job title plus 3 keywords that recur in postings. Once done, paste your current resume and a LinkedIn link into the prompt. Make sure to include 2 job descriptions for the role you want. Then ask the AI to draft a 1-line professional summary and 3 tailored bullet points for your top experience. Using the specific metrics you provided, don't wait to begin. Once you have the draft, instruct the AI to rewrite sections by tone and length. Request professional, creative, and concise versions of your summary. Make specific edit requests. Shorten sentences, replace weak verbs with power verbs, and ensure every bullet contains a metric when possible. Next, ask for 2 alternative headlines and 3 different bullets for the same job to a /B test. Compare clarity, impact, and ATS keyword density. Then pick the version that matches the job description and your authentic voice. Finish by exporting a clean PDF and a plain text version for ATS systems, making sure headings, dates, and bullets remain consistent. Once done, perform a quick keyword check and tweak density by adding 2 to 3 role-specific terms without stuffing. If the resume reads generic, ask the AI to incorporate one unique project detail, specific challenge, and concrete outcome to increase authenticity. If the AI produces irrelevant phrasing, reprompt with, "Keep these exact terms and structure."
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.